Hello, fifth graders. Happy Friday. It's day 5, and it is the last day in our unit on characters develop relationships. All right, and our objectives or our learning targets for today are I can compare and contrast topics and stories of the same genre. Okay, so we're not going to read anything new today. We're going to take 2 stories that we've read this week and we're going to compare and contrast. And then during phonics today, I can read, review, and practice spelling words that contain open syllables. All right, so the 2 stories that we will be looking at again are The Tryout, okay, and Sparring Partners. All right, so if you want to open up your book, or feel free to pause if you need to grab your book. But if you remember, The Tryout is on pages 6 and 7. And then Sparring Partners is on pages 18 through 21. All right, so I remember just from looking at these pictures that both of these stories contained pretty strong female characters. Okay, so your job is going to be to compare. Okay, compare the characters of Hannah in The Tryout and Cole in the Sparring Partners. What qualities do they share and how are they different? Okay, so remember, you want to pick out examples from the story that show how Hannah and Cole are similar. Okay, but don't forget to also mention how are they different using details from the story. All right, so don't be afraid to reread. Okay, good readers reread stories. It helps us become more fluent. It helps us build our vocabulary. And it also helps with understanding. All right, so good luck. The next video will be on our phonics section.